Your next car could be the 2018 Hyundai Kona. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.